Another 1 million down payment na napakagandang bahay dito sa Lower Antipolo/Marikina area. So this is our Japandi home na bigger. So tara, samahan niyo kami. We're here inside Our Lady of Lourdes in Lower Antipolo/Marikina area, and napakaganda po ng location nito kasi napakalapit natin sa Marikina. Actually, access roads natin would be Marikina, pero Lower Antipolo address na po ito, and super, kumbaga, close to nature, pero napakalapit nyo rin sa Ateneo, Marist, yung mga schools dito sa Marikina. So this house stands on a 126 square meter lot area with a floor area of more or less mga 260. So it has 3-story. Mamaya papakita namin sa inyo. Nandito tayo sa front garden of the house. If you had watched yung Japandi Homes house tour 636 namin, ito po, same seller po ito. Pero yun po kasi nabenta na. So ito, available po ito and bagong-bago. So tara, tingnan natin sa loob. Welcome to our Japandi home. Napakaganda. Why do we call it Japandi? Kasi medyo Japan-inspired po, minimalist, more on white and brown. Pero very modern pa rin naman siya. More on the modern Asian yung ating, kumbaga, setup dito. TV-wise, kung gusto nyo po, this is our living area. Pwede natin dito ilagay ang ating entertainment system or TV. You can also put it here. Pag nandito po kasi yung TV natin, you can put your couch here. Meron po kayo magkabilang windows. Makikita niyo po kung meron tao sa labas, kung meron kayong Shopee delivery, TikTok delivery, di ba? So, this is our living area, and then of course, this is our dining area. If you had watched yung previous Japandi home house tour namin, this one is more spacious. Yung kabila kasi 106 lang yata ang lote nun. So this one is 126. So this is our dining area. For the dining area, kasya po mga 6 to 8 seater dining table. And then, eto na po ang ating napakagandang kitchen. Simple pero napakaganda. So for our kitchen, meron na kayong parang bar counter type dito. Although the height is standard, hindi siya yung bar type na mataas. And then, kung mapansin nyo, you have windows here. Openable po yan. So if you want fresh air from the mountainous area, yan. Maganda po dito. Talagang one with nature kayo. Kitang-kita nyo naman. Diba? Ano na po ito eh. I think this is still part of Sierra Madre. So hindi po yan pwedeng tayuan ng mga development. And then coming from there, pagka binuksan mo, malamig na yung breeze mo, and then this is your proper kitchen. Don't worry, we still have a service kitchen in the basement. So, meron tayo dyan, kaya lang may laman po kasi may caretaker dito. So, well taken care of po yung bahay. So, for your coffee area, pwede dito. And then, your sink and faucet. And then, dito naman yung other, like oven. And then, of course, your refrigerator would be placed here. Ayan. And then, syempre, to maximize this bar counter type, lagay na lang kayo ng dito. Siguro mga 3 stool. Ayan. May breakfast nook na kayo. And then coming from your kitchen, ang kagandahan, you have your own balcony. Dito po. Ayan. So, the balcony overlooking the greeneries to. Tapos meron pa yung sapa ba yan or ilog? ilog. May ilog tayo dito. Galing, no? Marikina, Lower Antipolo, may ilog pa pala. Ayan, so eto po yun. And then, going back inside. Coming from our kitchen area, meron po tayong pathway papunta sa ating first bedroom. Ito, bubuksan ko na. Sorry, nakabukas eh. So, for our first bedroom, napakaluwag po niya. So, kung meron kayong elderly, this can be their big bedroom. So, kung wala naman po, you can use this as your home office. Pwede rin siyang man cave kung gusto nyo. Pwede rin siyang hobby area. Depende na po sa inyo. Pero ang importante po, if you have the elderly, meron kayong ground floor bedroom. And syempre, pag may ground floor bedroom, kailangan merong ground floor na toilet and bath. So, this is our toilet and bath. Very spacious. Siguro mga 1.3 to 1.5 meters po yung natin, dapat. Haba would be mga more or less 3.5-4 meters po yung haba natin. And then meron na tayong glass shower enclosure. You have the rain shower. And then you have a nook here. Ayan, lalagyanan po. Actually, kaya meron mga ganyan kasi meron nga pong caretaker for this specific property. Meron din po tayong provision for water heater. And then, of course, meron na tayong tricolor na mirror dito. Yan, before heading to our second floor, meron na po tayong kasamang split type AC dito sa ating living and dining area. And then you also have this pathway papunta sa inyong service area kasi minaximize po yung natural topography ng lupa. So instead na tambakan yung basement, ginawa na lang pong may staff area po tayo sa baba. Tsaka meron tayong dirty kitchen, laundry area. Mamaya papakita po namin sa inyo. Now we go to the second floor. For our second floor, dito po yung 3 bedrooms natin. So we'll check the first one here on your left side. Oh, diba? Perfect for your kids. Diba? If you have 1 to 2 children na, kunwari ako, I have 2 boys po, pwede dito, mag-bunk bed sila. Maluwag pa rin. Meron silang parang play area or study area dito. May openable windows ka rin dito. Oh, sarap ng hangin. 11:30 po ng tanghali, pero ang sarap po ng hangin. Diba? So, very spacious na siya for kids or even a kid. Pag isa lang po, napakaluwag na nito. Then you also have your actually hindi siya built-in. Movable po ang ating closet. So, pwede nyo po siyang i-rearrange. And then yun, makikita nyo pa rin the very nice Sierra Madre view. So this is our second bedroom. Oy, mas malaki to. Our second bedroom, almost same size siya ng ground floor bedroom natin. Diba? Maluwag to. Siguro mga 1, 2, 3 by 7. Mga 21 square meters siguro to, more or less. Ito naman movable po ito, as I've said earlier. Pwede nyo siyang ilipat-lipat. So, pwedeng yung bed nyo rito, queen size bed, even king size bed kasya dito. Lipat nyo na lang to dito sa kabilang area. And then you still have your windows here na napakaganda ng view. Lalo yung roof deck area nito. Mamaya, wait for it. Andun yung last part natin. So coming from our second bedroom, meron silang shared toilet and bath or common toilet and bath na same size din nung sa baba. O, diba? Ganito. Mas ma-appreciate nyo to kasi yung sa baba may mga cleaning materials. Dito wala, as in canvas siya, blank. Kumbaga, blank canvas yung inyong toilet and bath. Pero the finishes are like, almost, actually it's the same. Bukod sa ating exhaust, meron tayong openable windows dito. So, mas maganda, di ba? May natural air ka, may natural light, pero you still have your exhaust dito. The finishes are the same as downstairs. Mas ma-appreciate nyo lang to kasi ganda. Untouched. So, welcome to our master bedroom. Wow! Bukas tayo aircon. Nagpaalam naman tayo kay seller eh. For the master bedroom, may kasama na rin tayong split type AC. Libre din yung ilaw natin. Bubuksan ko lang. Ayan. So, meron na tayong pin lights. And then you have this decorative lighting here, which adds, kumbaga, drama to your master bedroom. For your bed naman, you can put your queen size bed here. Ayan. Katapat niyo yung napakaganda rin na windows dito. Almost floor to ceiling na to, guys. Diba? Wala pa kayong masyadong kapitbahay dito. This is a very good alternative for Marikina properties or QC properties kasi lower Antipolo ka pero Marikina yung access roads mo. Ang daan nito sa may Ponte Verde kung familiar kayo sa may Champaka. So, sara ko lang to. So, this is our semi-walk-in closet for our master bedroom. Hindi siya sobrang laki pero good enough naman siya. Kaya lang, if napakarami niyo pong damit, magdadagdag na lang po tayo ng closet dyan sa may bandang labas. Dito, sa pinaglagyan natin dito. Kasi para isang diretso po itingin sa inyong bedroom or closet. Yan, ganda. Kasi pag eto lang, malamang walang lalagyanan ng damit yung mister nyo. Aray ko. Ayan, so biro lang po sa ating mga misis. Actually, mas marami pa yung damit ko kaysa sa misis ko. Ayan, so sasaksak ko lang to, sorry. Para lang makita nyo. So, welcome to our master's toilet and bath. For our master's toilet and bath, mas special to kasi smart na yung toilet na ginamit natin. Usually, yan din yung mga ginagamit sa Japan. May sensor. I'll open it para makita nyo. Ayan. Oh. Ha? May heated pa yan. Kasi may temperature. Pwede siyang heated. Ang galing, di ba? Ikaw, huwag mo kong papahiya. Bumukas ka. Yun. Nakisama naman po. Natagalan lang. Sumasara, bububukas, mag-isa. And then this is your shower area. Meron din kayong openable windows but you still have the exhaust fan. And then meron na rin tayong rain shower and then your provision for the water heater. Yan. And then of course, meron tayong napakagandang sink and faucet dito na meron ding meron tricolor na mirror. So, yun. So, for the master bedroom, you also have your private balcony here. Ito naman, ito yung front part ng bahay. So, for this one, yung master's bedroom lang ang merong access dito. Pero this is like an additional parang living area or family area for you, your wife, or with your kids. Pwede mo maglagay ng mga lazy boy dito. Alam mo yung mga bean couch. Pwede rito yun. Actually, pwede rin kayo maglagay ng parang hamo. Pwede rin dito yan. And then you have your glass, tempered glass na balcony dito. Overlooking your kapitbahay which you don't have in front of you. Ayan. So, napakaganda. Kasi bakanting lote pa siya. And then, maluwag yung balcony mo. Morning coffee or afternoon coffee. On our second floor, meron pa tayong isang misteryosong pintuan. This is our third balcony. Di ba? Meron ka pa ng balcony na naman. Oh. Medyo mas maganda na yung view mo dito kumpara dun sa ground floor balcony mo kasi syempre mas mataas. Yan. Ganda ng view. Pero, may mas maganda pa. Tara, punta tayo sa roof deck. At eto na nga ang pinaka maganda or crowning glory of your property, ang inyong roof deck. O, di ba? Yung roof deck nyo covered, it has its own roof, pero a little bit smaller than the whole house siya. So parang, usually kasi yung roof deck, di ba, parang wall to wall. Ito hindi, medyo mas maliit. But, the view is really immaculate. Ang hirap na makahanap ng gantong view guys sa Metro Manila. Although technically, hindi na tayo Metro Manila, Lower Antipolo, pero dyan lang yung Marikina. So, Metro Manila pa rin. Ganda. This can be your party area, family area, New Year, birthday party. Although, size would be, ano to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 6. More or less to mga 35 square meters yung size ng ating roof deck. O tingnan nyo, meron na tayong sample. Meron tayong 4-seater na dining table dito. Actually, it can be a 6-seater. You can put 2 or 3 of these dito. Pag 3, syempre medyo mas masikip na siya. And then, ang kagandahan pa, you also have your kitchenette here. Maliit lang siya, pero very functional. Hugas kamay, where you put your, after you eat, dito na lang, o di yung mga angels yun na yung maglilinis. At least, hindi lahat nandun sa dining area, di ba? Yan. So, let's go to the basement or service area, guys. Yan. So, coming from the stairs, meron tayong laundry area dito. Partial, actually covered naman siya. So, wala namang problem with that. And then, ito ang inyong service area or service kitchen. Don't worry guys, lahat po nung nakikita nyo is magpa-punch list po tayo before moving in. So, kung may kailangang i-retouch or i-repair, aayusin naman po lahat yan. And then, this is the staff room. Ayan. So, may sariling kwarto ang inyong staff and may sarili rin silang toilet and bath. Very spacious din naman. Ayan. Maluwag na maluwag. So, if you have 2, huwag naman sabi, siguro 2 angels, kasyang-kasya dito. Ayan. And then, we're here sa ating car garage or carport. Kasya po dito 2. Medyo pataas lang siya kasi nga basement. So, nakakapagbaba naman sila ng pick-up dito. So, na-try na nila yan. Kumasya naman. So, medyo alanganin lang for cars, yung mabababa or lowered cars. Baka sumayad. Pero kung mga SUV kayo, mga MPV, wala po kayo magiging problem. And then, you have a storage area pa. Diba? Meron pa tayong storage area dito sa basement. So, malaking bagay po ito kasi pag may bahay tayo, usually marami tayong clutter. Yan. So, may paglalagyan kayo. Quick recap lang tayo guys for this amazing Japandi home dito sa Lower Antipolo / Marikina area. So, the house stands on a 126 square meter lot area with a floor area of more or less mga 260, 263 po. It has 2 car garage, 4 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath. And you also have a staff room and storage area sa ating basement. You also have a very nice roof deck. The asking price for this property from 18.8 million down to 17,990,000. So, less 800,000 na po agad yon. And the best part is, you can buy this amazing home with only 1 million down payment. Yes, tama po kayo nang narinig. Another 1 million down payment house na very accessible sa ating Marikina area and of course, Katipunan area. So, panghihintay nyo guys, tawagan nyo na kami. Yung una nito, ang bilis nang nabenta. So, Yun lang. Please follow us on our social media pages, Realtor RV. Diyan po yung daily vlogs namin. And of course, RV Realty PH para sa ating mga updated house listings. Maraming salamat. See you on the next one. God bless. Peace.